In celebration of the release of the Matrix Resurrections, we're bringing this amazing blue vs red pill themed PC to life. But that's not all. Aorus and M-Wave, in partnership with the Matrix Resurrections, are going to be giving away some awesome prizes. Head to the link in the video description to find out more. Hope you all enjoy. Introducing the Z690 Aorus Pro gaming motherboard with support for Intel's newest 12th gen CPUs, DDR5 memory support, and 4 Gen 4 NVMe drive slots. This motherboard is going to fit in nicely with today's design. This is our very first build featuring Intel's brand new Core i7-12700K CPU. The CPU has 12 cores and 20 threads. Intel now has two types of cores, the performance core with 2 threads per core and the efficient core with 1 thread per core. I cannot wait to put this to the test. Storage-wise, we decided to go with a total of 8 TB of Corsair MP600 Pro Gen 4 NVMe storage. These drives are rated among some of the fastest in the world with 7,000 megabytes per second read and 6,850 megabytes per second write. These drives come with big heat sinks, however we'll be removing them and using the motherboard armor instead. We need some amazing cooling support for this brand new high-end hardware, so we went with the brand new EK Quantum Velocity 2 CPU block, which has mounting for the new LGA 1700 socket. I love the new design and I cannot wait to see it in action. Our motherboard now supports DDR5 memory, so we went with Corsair's high-end Dominator Platinum RAM, which they kindly sent through a special edition RAM and this amazing wooden and epoxy chopping board. But I kind of want to hang this up somewhere. I absolutely love it. This is a 32GB set running at 5,200 megahertz. This is the Be Quiet Dark Base 700. It is a mid-tower case with support for up to eATX motherboards. It can support 360mm coolers on both the top and the front, and it comes with 2 pre-installed Be Quiet fans. It even has built-in RGB lighting. We'll be going with dual loops, one for the CPU, one for the GPU, and we'll be using the EK SE360 radiators to achieve excellent cooling for the hardware. The Lian Li SL120 fans are perfect for this system. They have a latching daisy chain design, which allows all of the fans to receive power and lighting through 2 cables. This limits the amount of excess cables that are left at the back of the PC. To provide all of those good gaming pixels, we decided to go with the Aorus Master Rtx 3080 GPU. We love the design of this card, but we decided that we are going to water cool it for maximum performance. For the first loop, we decided to go with the EK Quantum Kinetic D5 pump reservoir combo. This is a 200mm unit, and it fits nicely into the allocated space to the right of the GPU. Our power supply is the Be Quiet Dark Power 12 750 watt power supply. This power supply is extremely silent and is plenty of power for our RTX 3080 GPU and 12700K CPU. The GPU consumes around 320 watts, while the CPU consumes around 190 watts at 100% load. This gives us plenty of headroom for the rest of the system. The last piece of the puzzle is the EK Quantum Kinetic DDC FLT80 combo. This little unit is such a space saver and is what allowed us to be able to run dual loops.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the build video. I'll leave the links in the video description to where you can go and find out more about how to win some awesome prizes. And if you want to check out the specs in the video description, I'll leave them there as well. Consider subscribing if you enjoy videos like this, and we'll see you all in the next one.